Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to stop the Chrome browser from opening PDF files. So you might have seen when you download any PDF files automatically it's opening in the Chrome browser. Let's see how we can stop this one. So first of all you'll have to open the Chrome browser and click on these three dots and scroll below, go to the settings option, and under the settings on the left side you will see different options. Go to the privacy and security and scroll to the bottom and click on site settings. Then go to the additional content settings. It's coming under the content and you just need to click additional content settings. So you'll see a section called PDF documents. Click on this PDF documents. There you will see the default behavior as opening the PDFs in Chrome. So you just need to change it to download PDF so that it will download instead of opening in the PDFs, opening in the Chrome. So hope you understood the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.